Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 2022, 22nd of December. Yes, thank you so much for coming in. And today, in this Forex Trading Plan, we are going to pick up some plans, some currency pairs here to trade later on. Alright guys. Well, thank you so much for coming in. Hi Lee Han Yong Xiong. Right. Okay. Hi MK. Nice to see you here. Thank you so much. And yes. Hi Sabrina, thank you for coming in. Well, you're early today, right? So yeah, anyway, yes, let's quickly, right, go into my planning here, all right? So let's take a look. Pound CAD. Okay, later I will come to Pound CAD, all right? So over here, let's see what do we have here, right? So taking a look at Aussie CAD here. Well, looking at this yesterday, after that the fall, and then news came in and actually now pick up everything. Alright, so it backs to the pool. So at the moment, no more selling for now. For Aussie CAD, I will leave that alone. Well, for Aussie franc, it's the same. So yesterday it was like it was dropped initially. After that, it started to rise up, and then now we are going back to a bull. So buying is still possible, although we are still in the bear. But today is a retracement day. So currently, I'm going to leave that out as well. For Aussie Yen, same thing. We have a drop for the past few days, and then after that, it now is recovering. So leave this alone first. Alright. So for Aussie Kiwi, it's coming back into the retracement state. So same thing. They are looking for a resistance before they can continue bear. Right. We are still in the bear. Okay, we are still in the bear. However, in this bear, we cannot simply sell right now. Alright. Because it's the retracement looking for a resistance. So let's wait for a resistance to come in first before we actually take action. Okay. Right. So for Aussie dollar, let's take a look at Aussie dollar. Yes, Aussie dollar over here. The next thing about Aussie dollar over here is actually setting up a support from yesterday onwards, and now today it seems like I'm going back to the top for a resistance. So at the moment over at this area here, we can see that there's a level over here. So tentatively, if we seller we want to sell, please wait for it to test on the resistance before we take it. Okay. So Euro Aussie, let's take a look at Euro Aussie. Well, for Euro Aussie at the moment right now, okay, Euro Aussie, we can see that there's some stick off from the bull. We are in the bull and stick off because our Aussie is getting very strong. So well, as we can see at this point here, right? So now Euro Aussie is actually coming. So let's look at this area here. Well, in this area here, there's some support over at this point here, which is the opening of the day. So later on, perhaps it has to break below, then we will get a chance to sell. So at this point here, it looks like it's already started to test on it, and now let's see if there's a chance that we can get a selling trade from here. So for today, we are still in the bull. Alright, we are still in the bull, but the bull is retracing downwards of the liquidity down there. All right, so still looking out for support. So at the moment over here, I would say that for this Euro Aussie, we may have some chance to sell down. Okay, and we should see that there may be about 7 pips. So yeah, I will put this Euro Aussie into my watch list. Okay, so Euro Aussie, and I'm selling off. Right, so next to go. So EURAUD, we are still in the bull. Okay, we are still running very strongly, very bullish. So I'm going to skip that. Well, same again. Let's go to Euro Yen. Euro Yen. Well, quickly we can see that Euro Yen actually transiting fair. So currently, okay, Euro Yen. Taking a look at Euro Yen after the drop, it seems like there's some time that it will recover. But the thing is that tentatively, okay, it has dropped into selling area where I see there's a over here and still in the middle of nowhere. So later on, maybe we will take a look and see how it goes. Right. So let's move on to Euro Kiwi. So Euro Kiwi over here. Yes, Euro Kiwi in the bear, but now has a change. We look out for a resistance. So tentatively, okay, we will see that for this Euro Kiwi, we are actually moving into north, taking out some resistance there. So there are some resistance over at this point here. We can okay, let's look at the resistance level. So still waiting for it to test onto the resistance before we actually start the selling. So Euro Kiwi, let's see, and probably we will have to wait for a while. Okay, if there's a support, we come in, then the support is actually here, which will create a higher support from here. So Euro Kiwi over at this point here, well, I will just hang on first, and later on when the live session comes in, then we will take a look how it goes. Alright, for Euro Dollar. Well, Euro Dollar today, we are looking into climbing up, climbing up, climbing up. Well, it's still on the bull side. So tentatively, buying is still possible. For seller, please take note. You have to stay away. And as for buyers, the ceiling is actually here. So let's take a look at this resistance level. Right, so let's allow it to test on the resistance. If seller want to sell, maybe later on we can come selling. Alright. Okay, so Pound Aussie. Let's take a look at Pound Aussie. Well, Pound Aussie, well, over here, Pound Aussie looks like today we have some slip off. We are going to look out for resistance level. Where are we looking out for? So Aussie is getting strong. So Euro, Pound Aussie is actually we are now looking into the support here. So if I want to continue the selling, I have to make sure I have to break this support here before I continue the selling here, right? Okay, so Pound Aussie. Okay, so I'm going to put this Pound Aussie into my watch list. Looks good, right? So for Pound CAD, we are still in the bull running, and right now let's see if there's a pulling back to go for a selling. As we can see, there's some pullbacks here. All right, in the general trend, this is a very small pullback, and still looking out for support level, which I see here. Right, so tentatively, we are still on the support. So for Pound CAD, I think right now, okay, if I want to sell, it have to break the support over here, alright, which we have about 40 pips. Okay, so on the way to sell. So right now, if we are on the way to sell right now, okay, then there will be a good chance that we have about 40 pips to go, right? So that's for Pound CAD. So Pound CAD today is looking for support. Actually, yeah, it is looking for support. So for as of now, okay, we still have some BD to take. So I will just put this Pound CAD into my selling. Okay, yeah. So Pound CAD over here, right? So looks like there. Right. So next to go, right? So for Pound Franc. Now Pound Franc over at this point here, Pound Franc, we are actually escalating bull, but the bull is transiting downwards. Okay. So tentatively, by looking into Pound Franc, we have a good chance of selling here, and but unfortunately now we are on the support. Make sure you break the support before you actually go for selling. So for Pound Franc, okay, I will look into it. Okay, I will put this into my watch list. Right. ICK, nice to see you here. Okay, so for Pound Yen, let's take a look at Pound Yen. Well, Pound Yen over at this point here, we are tentatively, okay, have come to the end of this area here. Okay, so yesterday we have been looking out for selling and selling. So selling has been going through very nicely for the past 2 days, and finally it reaches the stage of support. So we are now at the support. Will it actually breaks the support to continue selling? There may be a chance because we are very near the support. Okay, so let's wait for it to break the support for Pound Yen. Okay, so for Pound Yen, let's take a look. Will there be a chance? Alright. Okay, so for Pound Kiwi, so Pound Kiwi, we are in the bear. So this bear is actually coming down to break the support, continue selling to see chance to reach area. So there's a lot of tips there for us. Okay, tentatively it's showing quite good. However, okay, we still have to be a bit careful because right now it still seems like it's actually slowing down. So for Pound Kiwi, alright, so if you are going to sell the Pound Kiwi, we have to be very careful. Okay, I'm going to put Pound Kiwi into my watch list first. Alright, so for Pound Dollar, okay, Pound Dollar over here. Let's see Pound Dollar. Well, Pound Dollar, we are actually in the bull, now transiting into the bear. So we are going to transit into the bear soon. Alright, over here, breaks through, and then this level, okay, here, be tested. So will there be a chance to go on with the selling? Okay, then we will see. Okay, definitely, I think there's a chance. However, we still need a resistance to sell. Right, so let's wait for the resistance to come in and before we start selling for the pound dollar. Okay, yeah, pound dollar is one that we are going to take a look today. All right, okay, pound dollar. And also dollar CAD. Let's see dollar CAD. Well, dollar CAD over here, we can see the dollar CAD today. We are actually in bull, coming down to the bear, back to the bull again, and now over at this point here seems like it's back here for selling. So looking into this situation, okay, pound dollar CAD, okay, dollar CAD over here we still have plenty of space to come in. All right, so we are 39 to 40 pips. So dollar CAD, I'm going to look out for selling today. Right? Okay, so yes, okay, pound CAD will go to 1.62. Okay, later we'll take a look. All right. Okay, dollar franc. Let's take a look at dollar franc. So dollar franc, okay, same thing. It has a very good drop now. Okay, so this morning has a good drop until now. We are still trying to take out the lows there. So at the moment, okay, we are still in the bear looking for selling. Since we are looking for selling, we need to have a resistance. Right. So I'm looking out for some resistance that actually very prominent one. Okay, then we will be able to. So rightfully it should be here, and now we are nearer to the support. Okay, so at the point of time, at this point of time, okay, I will just hang on with a new cycle before I start selling. Okay, so that's for dollar franc. Okay, yep, dollar franc. Okay, so I'm gonna put this. Right, so next to go dollar yen. Well, dollar yen. Again, dollar yen over at this point here, dollar yen, we are actually looking at the bear. So the bear today is selling down. So we are still reaching out for this support level, which I see there's still a lot to go. So it's very obvious that I'm going to put this dollar yen in my watch. Okay, so that's for dollar yen. Okay, so yep, and right, so over at this point here, okay, let me right up. Okay. Let's see. Right, and okay, let me flash it out for everybody so that everybody can take a look. Okay, so we're going to focus on Euro Aussie, Pound CAD, Pound franc, Pound yen, Pound Kiwi, Pound dollar, and dollar CAD, and followed by dollar franc, dollar yen. Okay, so just now Mr. Lee was saying that 168. Okay, 168 it should be here. Right, so it's around here, 168. Yes, quite likely. Okay, if this support is broken, then we will see. Or if there is a resistance coming in again, yes, or probably, yeah, there's a possibility there. Okay, so yes, guys, do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, and also give a like to this video to show your appreciation for the effort behind the video. And I shall see you in another 1.5 hours, GMT plus 8 to your clock. Right, that will be a nice trading session. Okay. So thank you guys. I shall see you later. Okay. Remember to smash the like button.